Welcome to Test Your Learning 1. So in this exercise, we want to write a program that uses a dictionary of names and GPAs to get all students who should be on the Dean's Honor Roll. Okay, so if the GPA for a student is at least 3.5, then we want that student to be printed on a list. So if we have a dictionary like this one where Holly is 3.0 and Ali at the end here is 4.0, then I should print honor roll, asterisk at the front and the back, a line, and then Jane, Pablo, and Ali. Since of the 4 students, only these 3 have the requirement of having a GPA at least 3.5. Okay, so for us to solve this problem, obviously we need a dictionary, and so the dictionary is provided for you. Alright, the second thing you would need to do, you would need to go through the dictionary, and so for each student you would have to check their GPA, and if their GPA was at least 3.5, you would add them to a list. So obviously we need to create a list to add these honor roll students. Now once we have all our students who should be on the honor roll in our list, then we can go ahead and print those names off in this format. Now if there are no students in the dictionary that have a GPA of 3.5 or above, then we should print a message such as no honor roll this semester. Okay, so this is your first Test Your Learning. In the next video, we will look at a possible solution. I'll see you then.